Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, dear students. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Homeschool. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct an English language class for the students of class 1, and our today's topic is from your Engine Grammar book, lesson 11, exercise 3 and 4. Dear students, this lesson is about when you have to use am or is or are. Dear students, for the case of only I, you have to use only am. Then when you will get any subject, you, okay, on that case you have to use are. And for other plural cases you have to use are, and is would be used in singular case. So let's try to solve it. This is exercise 3. Complete these sentences with am or is or are. I told you about the uses of these three, so we will solve it now. I am Amla. I gave 6 years old. Dear students, I told that for the case of I, we have to use am. Okay? Then the stars. Dear students, this is plural. Okay? So the stars are. Twinkle in the sky. Mohan and Pooja gave on the seashore. Mohan and Pooja. Dear students, this subject is plural. Mohan and Pooja are. Gina dash on the swing. Gina gave on the swing. Gina is on the swing. Father and I gave going to the beach. Father and I are. Okay, the subject is plural. Then these clothes get dirty. Dear friends, this is also plural, so we have to use are. These clothes are dirty. Then the room, it's singular, so for the case of singular we have to use is. Neat and clean is. You gave not well. You must rest, said mother. So you are. For the case of you and plural subject we have to use are, and for the case of singular subject we have to use is, and only for the case of I, that means when the subject is I, from that time we have to use am. Okay, dear students, this is all about exercise 3, and we will do exercise 4 right now. What is said here? Complete the sentences with am, is or are. Same case. The children are on the beach. This are is done for you. They gave playing in the waves. Dear students, they, it's plural subject. So for the case of plural, I told you that you have to use are. They are playing in the waves. A dog gave playing on the beach. A dog, it's singular. Okay, so a dog is playing on the beach. I gave scared of dogs. I, dear students, I, for the case of I told you it before that for the case of I we have to use am. I am scared of dogs, but this dog gave friendly. Dear students, this dog is singular, so we have to use is. This dog is friendly. It playful and clever. dear students, this subject is, it is also singular. So we have to use is. It is playful and clever. It helps me build a sand castle. Okay. You gave a good dog. You, for the case of you and plural subject, we have to use are. You are a good dog. I say, the dog gave happy. The dog is singular. So for the case of singular, we have to use is. The dog is happy. Dear friends, this is all about today's class. This is very easy. Just listen to the lecture and practice it more and more, then it will be very much easier for you to evaluate what is written here. And no more today. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.